Hey guys, this is an HP Officejet Pro 6830 printer that I want to show you how to get into the support menu, or like a hidden menu, whatever you want to call it, to check out the information and also reset the printer. So when you go to the home page of your computer, of your printer, you're going to press this button. That's basically the back button. I just showed you where it's located. So it's not lit up when you're in the home page area. So you're just gonna press it 4 times simultaneously, like one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have our support menu. In that menu, you can find out how many pages were printed, all these are the cool things about it, about your printer. For example, the information menu, model number, serial number, the region that you're set to. Counters would have your how many pages were printed, 169, and see here, I'll just go back. We're gonna go down to resets menu and select either partial reset or semi-full reset, and we're gonna press OK. The printer is gonna turn off, and about 15 seconds later you can just turn it back on. I usually unplug it to reset it, so that's the case. Just make sure you unplug it, wait for 15 seconds, and then plug it back in, turn it on, and it'll ask you simple questions like where the time, and we'll just see it in just a second here. So first, the language that you want to set it to. Mine is English, and then we're gonna set it to USA. um, Continue setup. The time is already set, and we're just gonna continue. It's asking to load paper, so basically it's kind of restarting the printer. It does not seem to kick out the ink in there. Sometimes if you do a reset, it'll make you put in an original ink, which basically impossible to get. The ink that came with this printer when it was brand new. So with this printer, it doesn't do that. So this is how you do the reset on this printer. For any reason, if you just want to see if that will help you clear some message or anything like that. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.